Hello, students, and good morning to all of you who are on the another side of the screens. Last class, we have learned about Yogasana, especially Ardha Chandrasana, how it performs, and what is the importance of these asanas. Today, we shall discuss the topic health education, which is in your text, chapter 3. So, open your textbook and be ready with your pen, exercise book, and textbook. After seeing this video, you can ask the questions. Okay, let's start the main topics. I have already said you today's lesson is health education. If so, the health education it is constructed two words. One is health, another is education. If we can understand what is the meaning of health and what is the meaning of education, then we can easily understand the meaning of health education. Okay, let's start. First, education. Education, this word is delivered from educare. This is a Latin word. It means to bring up. Education is the process of facilitating the learning and the sensation of the knowledge, skill, beliefs, and habits. Swami Vivekananda said, education is the manifestation of perfection already in man. Another word is health. Health, since the ancient days, man used to take part in diverse physical activities. Participation in games and sports was an integral part of civilization. It was found that men who used to take part in various physical activities were actually more stable than the others, both physically and mentally. Modern civilization is also aware of the utmost importance of health and physical education. It is observed that sports culture are not only involves the learner in recreation and joyfulness, but also plays a vital role in the development and manifestations of his or her intake skill. Hence, it is obligatory for every students to take part daily in some kind of physical activities in school for developing the physical fitness. Is health. Actually, what is health? We can understand, we can say the according to who I think that all of you know about who. 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 Who It is established 7th April 1948. In every year, in this day, 7th April, we celebrated it as a World Health Day. And according to WHO, health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Again I repeat this. According to WHO, health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Okay, WHO? What is WHO? What is WHO? Do you know WHO? The main office of WHO is situated in Geneva at Switzerland. Okay. World Health Organization is a specialized non-political health agency of the United Nations. Again I repeat this. What is WHO? The World Health Organization is a specialized non-political health agency of the United Nations. The objectives of WHO is the main objective of WHO is attainment of the highest level of health by all the people of the world. Again I repeat, attainment highest level of health of the people of the world. Then we can easily understand what is the meaning of health education. What is health education? Let's see. The life and the health of a person are interrelated. Like many other objects, health education has its own perspective through which the person can develop and also aware himself or herself of the matter related to health, healthy habits, and various health practices. Health education may be defined as health education is a process that informs, motivates, and helps people to adopt and maintain healthy practices and lifestyles. Advocates environment changes as needed to facilitate this goal and conducts the professional training and research to the same end. So we can say health education teaches us how to lead a healthy life. In other words, the education that helps men to lead healthy life, develop healthy habits, and discard bad habits is called health education. Now, we can learn about the aims of the health education. What is the aim of health education? The main aim of health education is to develop healthy habits among the children so that physical and mental health may restore. Development of health, awareness, and healthful environment for total development of a person are also the aim of the learn. Okay. The factors, there are so many factors of health. First of all, we shall learn the factors of health. Factors, there are, earlier I say, there are so many factors which influence our health. There are three main factors which influence our health. One, personal factors. Within these personal factors, there are so many objects, such as one, heredity, number two, age and weight of the body, number three, personal cleanliness, number four, exercise and play, number five, lifestyle, number six, nutrition, and second, the environmental factors. Within these environmental factors, there are one, environmental cleanness, number two, socio-economic conditions, number three, health service, number four, bad environment. Lastly, third, influencing factor, social factors. Within this, one, social safety, secondly, characteristics. Now, what is the needs and importance of this health education? If we give an example, then it can be easily understood. You see your bedroom, every corner of this wall and floor, see carefully, there is no dust particles. But you go to your storeroom or garage room, what will be seen? The corner of this wall dusty. The floor is also dust particles, full of dust particles. Why? Because your bedroom regularly maintained by someone, but garage room or storeroom, it was not maintained regularly or properly. Similarly, if we can maintain our various body parts, organ or organism regularly or properly, then our body will be fit. Otherwise, just like storeroom or a garage room, our body will destroy it slowly and gradually. So, boys and girls, understood? Then we learn necessity of health education. Number one, for health development and infirmity and the premature death. Number two, to develop the knowledge of health habits, techniques, and behaviors. Number three, to develop good habits among the children as well as people of different ages. Next, we shall learn the objectives of health education. Objectives of health education. So, there are so many objectives. Here, I say some of them. Your books have 16 points of objectives of health. See, number one, informing the students regarding the function of our body. Number two, taking curing measures for various diseases. Number 3, to develop knowledge regarding personal cleanliness. Number 4, developing healthy and good habits. Number 5, to adopt the proper training for first aid. Number 6, to help in curing diseases of eye, teeth, nose, ear, and skin. Number 7, to aware the public regarding health. Number 8, to inform the people regarding bad effects of alcohol, smoking, and drugs. Number 9, to aware of infectious and non-infectious disease. Lastly, ensuring the ideal norms of good health. Okay. And other than these points, there are so many objectives. If you see your books, then it will be seen by you. Okay. After hearing this video, you can realize and then only ask you questions regarding this subject. Other than the answer will not be given. Okay. Thank you.